Share files from an existing patient on Access to Smilecloud. Now that the patient case is linked across both workspaces, we can easily import Anna's files into Smilecloud. Go to Initial Documentation, click the three dots and select the Access option. Or use the icon here. Both options will open files stored in the patient's profile within Straumann AXS. Use the search function if necessary to quickly locate the files. Select them and import to Smilecloud. This will automatically upload the files so you can move on to designing Anna's smiles. In the next video, you will learn how to transfer Anna's smile design back to Straumann AXS to continue your digital workflow.